Ever seen a cool dance video on social media and thought, what if I could dance like that? Well, if you're a pro, it's a breeze. But if you're not, don't sweat it. AI's got your back. With Viggle AI, you can use any dance video as a reference and turn your picture into a dancing sensation. Here's how. Step 1. Click the link in the description below and sign up using your social account. Step 2. Choose Mix. You can pick a ready-made template or upload your own dance video as the reference. Step 3. Upload a picture, yours or anyone else's, to match the dance moves in the reference video. Step 4. Hit Create and let Viggle AI work its magic. Just sit back and watch your photo come to life with epic dance moves. But wait, there's more. You can even swap multiple characters in a video with the pictures you provide using the multi-mode. Imagine turning a still image into a dynamic character, moving perfectly in sync with the reference video you choose. Viggle AI makes it all possible and super fun. So what are you waiting for? Try it out and share your amazing creations in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's keep the fun going.